Take a look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.42 ratio, pedals, power adjustable for accelerator and brake, trailer brake controller, integrated, air cleaner, high capacity, heavy-duty cooling package, heavy-duty, cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler, heavy-duty air-to-oil, engine, Vortec 4.8L variable valve timing SV flex fuel, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing SV flex fuel with active fuel management, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled, wheels, 4/18 inches x 8, 45.7 cm x 20.3 cm, aluminum, skid plate package, All-Star Edition, wheels, 4/17 x 7.5, 43.2 cm x 19.1 cm, 6-lug chrome-styled steel, LPO, all-weather floor mats, ebony deep rig rubber, Z71 appearance package, suspension package, off-road, trailering package, heavy-duty and the suspension package, handling trailering, heavy-duty. Call 888-430-8589 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.